let's assign some values to some variables. Let's see how to do that. Alright, welcome back to the Java introduction for Minecraft and Hightail modding, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about assignment operators. Now, that might seem a little weird because, well, we're literally seeing the assignment operator right here. It is just an equal sign. What else is there? Well, there is something very interesting. So what you can do in theory is you can, of course, say something like x equals, and then we could say x plus y, right? That is something that we could say, meaning that we take the value of x and we take the value of y, being 120, and then we're basically writing that back into x itself. We could say this. However, we could also say the following. We could also say x plus equals y, and then end the line here. So as you can see now, we're actually having all of this in one line. And I'm actually going to also then do system.out.println with the x, just so that we can see basically what we're doing here. And this will then plus n equals this immediately. So this is all in one line, basically all in one, well, assignment operator. So this is an assignment operator. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select this and copy it with Control-C, and then Control-V, 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 actually 5 times. And, well, you might know where this is going. We can, of course, also say minus equals. We can also say times equals. We can also say divides equals. And we can even say, and this is even crazier, we can say remainder equals. So that's pretty crazy. Usually, I only see something like these three. These two I've rarely seen, if at all. However, still good to know those, and they might be useful at some point. Now let's first of all see, if this works, if they work. Let's just start this and run this, and let's see. So first of all, of course, once again, right, this is just 100 plus 20, 120, of course, and then we subtract the 20 again, 100, then it's 100 times 20, which is 2000, and then here we divide the 2000 by the 20, getting us back to 100, and here we're basically saying getting the remainder from 100 divided by 20, which of course is 0. This is really powerful, so you don't have to type it out in a longer one. And even if you say, well, this kind of confuses me, I will stick to using this, x plus y, there you go, something like that. But that's totally fine. But if you ever have to read code from other people, then that might not be the smartest idea, right? Because maybe they are using this. You won't understand that. So you will need to, at least have seen both ways of doing it, and then you can still decide whether or not you might want to do it another way. And there's one more semi-assignment operator, so to speak, which is going to be the plus plus operator. And this is basically just x plus plus, and then once again ending it with a semicolon here. And that simply increments x by 1. So what we can do is we can just do this, and then we can also just copy over both of those. Once again, Control-C, Control-V. And we can also decrement it with minus minus. So because this was a 0 here, this is going to be a 1, and then this is going to be a 0 again. So let's just run this again and see. And there you go. So we incremented it by 1, and then we decremented it back to 0. That can also be very useful because, sometimes we just want to, count up by 1. So there's basically like 3 ways that we could write this. We can write it the very long way, which is this, right? We could even write it a little bit shorter, which is this, or we could go doing x plus plus, which is even better, right? And that would be it for the assignment operators. Something that, isn't the most important thing, but definitely important to have seen it at least once. And yeah, that would be it for this tutorial right here. I hope you found this useful and you learned something new. If you did, I would of course appreciate a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. So yeah.